Our CNG infrastructure and fueling project came about through Department of Energy and Clean Fuels Ohio grant. Through the process, Dublin decided it would be beneficial to go ahead and purchase new vehicles, convert those vehicles to dedicated natural gas, and roll it all out in June of 2012 when we opened our station. We do have a public-private partnership so that the public, if they own a natural gas vehicle, can buy fuel from us as well. We also have just recently, along with our CNG project, our natural gas station project, installed electric vehicle charging stations.
It's awesome. Personally, I would love to buy a CNG truck for my own personal use. It's been that's positive, and I know the other technicians would in the shop. The infrastructure needs to be improved around Ohio. That is coming, and I know that CNG is going to replace gas. There's no doubt in my mind. It would be a fantastic thing for the country. The truck's maintenance schedule is increased. Now we're going to 10,000-mile oil changes. The fuel economy is a hair less, but the trucks run the same. There is no difference in power of the truck. It's been a good thing all around.
City of Dublin contacted us and Clean Fuels Ohio about exploring and looking at an alternative fuel source. It's a sizable impact on their operating budget if you look at fuel. So we had some pretty thorough discussions with them about the benefit of CNG. Natural gas is here, it's affordable, it's available, it's clean, and it's a wonderful alternative for us to utilize.
The price of it's not comparable. When you're paying half the price for the same result, really. Yeah. And you can go twice as far on an oil change. I mean, it's a no-brainer.